All right, quarantine day one. So these are our three options for today. Like we said, we didn't really know we were gonna do this, so the bodyweight version is something totally different, but we'll kind of work around it as we go. Next week it should be a little bit easier. So the first one, if you have a home gym, you have a barbell, all that normal stuff. 15 minutes for the heaviest complex. 1 power snatch plus 1 hang power snatch plus 1 overhead squat. If you don't have much weight and you can't really find a heavy here, you can add in a few muscle snatches where the legs just stay locked out and then punch it up. Maybe like 2 muscle snatches before and then a power snatch, hang power snatch. Kind of whatever you feel. You can up the reps, maybe 2 of each or 3 of each. Something that's gonna be difficult for the weight that you have. Then the workout, home sick, 5 rounds per time, 5 power snatch. Goal would be 135, 95, and then 10 wall balls. RX Plus is a 30-pound wall ball, 20-pound wall ball if you kind of have that stuff. But it should be pretty quick. Heavier weight on the snatch is what we're looking for. Probably a few touch and go, maybe quick singles. And then wall balls to go try to be going unbroken. If we can't do that one, if we don't have a barbell, the dumbbell version is for the strength piece. 5 sets each arm, so 5 on the right, 5 on the left. You'll just go right and then left, and that would be 1 set. 5 snatch plus 5 overhead squats plus 5 snatch. You can build to a tough on both sides, so do the same weight for each arm before you add. Regardless of if it's a kettlebell or a dumbbell, right? If it's a dumbbell, then I can just go from the ground every time. So I can do 5 snatches that way, and then hold overhead, do my overhead squats, and then do another 5 snatches. If I'm doing it with a kettlebell, I can just bring it into like a kettlebell swing. So instead of having it touch the ground, I would just do my 5 snatches that way. So I would do 1, and then I would do 2, and then when I get to 5, I do my overhead squats. Finish with the snatches. If let's say you have a dumbbell where it's just too heavy, you can sub in a clean and jerk if you need to. So instead of doing a snatch and overhead squat, if it's just too heavy, you could do a clean and jerk and a front squat instead, and just do 5 clean and jerk, 5 front squat, 5 clean and jerk. If you want to and you have weight that's good, but overhead squat is really hard, sit to an object, a chair, a box, a bench, whatever you kind of have there. But we're just gonna build to it. Think of this more skill work, I guess. And then the workout, we would do the same thing, but we would just do snatches with a single arm and then wall balls. So 5 snatches with the right arm, dumbbell or kettlebell, 5 snatches with the left, and then 10 wall balls. If you don't have a wall ball, a couple things you can do. You can use that same dumbbell or kettlebell, and then you could do 5 snatch right, 5 snatch left, 5 thrusters, right arm, 5 thrusters, left arm, and just repeat that for 5 rounds. If you don't have a target for a wall ball, you can do a med ball clean, which is just like a squat clean where I stand up, and then I get underneath it. I could do the same thing with an object. Just something that gets us in the squat motion. Maybe it's just a goblet squat, kind of whatever you can do to make it feel the same, but once again, it should be short and quick, 10-minute cap. Then the bodyweight workout, the home gym workout. For time, 50 Russian twists. We kind of already went over this in the video we've already posted. So you already know left and right is 1. I'm gonna get 50 of them. And then a 10-minute plank on my elbows. Every time I break that plank, meaning my butt comes up or I have to rest, we're gonna do 10 alternating pistol and 10 push-ups. We've already went over scaling options, so you can go look at the video for that stuff. And then cash out Tabata strict press. Once again, we already went over that in the video. You can press something, a dumbbell, a bag of dog food, whatever. You'll just hold it in the front rack for that 10 seconds of rest, because Tabata is 20 seconds on, 10 seconds off, repeated for 8 rounds. You'll rest 2 minutes and then do that all over again. So that is Fridays.